Today we're going to be working with Emily. Main complaint is she's having a little bit of pain in her mid-back. Thoracic spine meets her lumbar spine. It's been going on for about a month, you said?
Yeah.
And it's bothering you the most when you're putting on your skates, right?
At school, I'll play like soccer and ultimate frisbee
Okay.
and maybe run track.
Okay.
And then in the summer, I don't skate like on a consistent daily basis.
And then a little drop, okay? And then, oh, one last one, in. Little pull. Good. There's a lot more on that side, right?
Yeah.
All the way. Good. Be a little push. So here, little push.
Good.
There's a lot in there.